like right here. Accelerate before you get the cruise. Don't accelerate there because it's gonna be rough. You're perfect there. Right? Behind it, get back. Back. Right here? Oh. Right there, now come forward a little bit. No, you don't hold it there. There you go. Now, start it up. Hold it firmly. No. Back it up. Start it. No. Full power. On that side. There you go. All right. Now turn it up. Yeah. When you're done with the job, you never want to leave the unit running. Yeah. You probably need a rock. When you hit a rock with a chain, you're going to get a spark. Now, it's your first time, and it's actually pretty low. We could have gone lower, but, I mean, that's really good. I mean, any lower, I mean, we could, but you really don't need to, that's fine. A mower can come in and cut the grass, no big deal. Now, we do the same thing. Now, let me see if you remember what I did here. What did I do first? Well, only on this one because you can see the base of the trunk. But what did I do? No.
Or you moved everything out of it?
Yeah, because you can get lower.
Yeah.
So you, with your hand, move everything, move the leaves out the way. And be mindful, there could be snakes that you need, so be careful. As a matter of fact, hold on a second. Keep digging.
What am I supposed to do?
You're live, little buddy.
Yeah.
Here, in case you get an anaconda or a boa constrictor back there. Oh no, now you're really protected.
You ready to move my hands now?
Oh, actually good gloves. You'll be quite free.
You got a big ant on your shoulder.
You good? Now, as you can see, you got more than one root there. So pick the one you want to get it, back. Get it, back, and then work your way up. Let me see the thing on. Let me see, you know what? Let me see how you do it. You position yourself what makes you feel comfortable. And then I'll correct you if I feel you're in any danger. There you go. Now that's what's up. That you're good there. All right. Now you don't want to, since that has a lot of roots, you don't want to get them all at the. You could, if you're experienced. But since it's your first time, let's do one at a time. So let's turn it on. Now, you can't turn it on at that angle. That's unsafe. And it's difficult to turn something on when you're back here. So what I want to do is come out here. and then do it. Or do this and do that. I like to do this. You do what you feel comfortable. But the point is, you want to either use your weight to keep the chainsaw down or your foot to keep the chainsaw down, or both. Pick one. No, sir. You don't want to be on your knees. Because what happens is, if you don't pull it enough and this jumps like that, you need to get out of the way. If you're on your knees, it'll get you right in the knee. Mm-hmm. That's why we put the weight on the foot here, or we hold it down like that.
So I guess.
We'll put the brake on first.
Yeah. And then like this, right? You see?
No, I'd switch hands with that. I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. There you go. Boom. That's good. Okay. Now that you got it going, you want to take the brake off. Okay? Make sure you're comfortable. You got to be comfortable. You want to protect your ears or no? You might be able to get those three, but let's do one at a time, okay?